now let's continue and work on the large desktop side. So since I'm recording this in a smaller resolution, I need to zoom out like 90%. So now, as you can see right here, that the title and the date already shown because it reaches the breakpoint of 1200 pixel width. So to do that, let's create a media query again and make this 1200. And one thing I noticed right here is on the creative process, we forget to remove the existing padding that we applied on the item. So copy this one and just write here, let's get rid of the padding top and change it to 0. So like that. And now we're get ready and style exactly the same on the design we have right here. So let's start with the Jumbotron part. So at the bottom, we need to add a 180 padding. So currently we have 60. So we're going to change that and switch back to the style. Find on Jumbotron. And here, so Jumbotron. Padding will be 120 pixel. I mean 180 pixel, 180. Just like that. And on the navigation part right here, we added a padding bottom 60 pixel. So right here, we have a 60 pixel padding. But on the markup of the bootstrap, it also had a 20 pixel margin bottom on the nav bar. So we're going to remove that. So that nav bar margin bottom 0. As you can see, it moved up. And now we can start measuring how much will be the padding top for this text. So as you can see, it's 180. So for the H1, we need to target that right here. So it had a 160. So we're going to add a padding top 180 pixel. So a total of 180. So first, let's get rid first. So change it to 0. Inspect element. Okay, so it's in place. And another thing we need to add is the margin bottom of the H3 tag. Currently, we have a margin bottom of 60 pixel. What we have here is 120. So simple as that. H3 margin bottom 120 pixel. Review it. Just like that, everything is in place on the banner part. Now let's move on for the headings. Headings had 120 paddings. So set on dot heading, padding will be 120 pixel for top and bottom. Now since we added 120 pixel on headings, for the controls, we also need to add. So carousel indicators margin bottom 84. So we added another 60. So this will make 144 pixel. Now for the controls, 104 plus 60. Let's make this 184. And for this right here, for the carousel testimonials, carousel indicators, let's get rid of the border. I think it's applied on the li tags. So li, and let's change the opacity to 30%. So it will be 0.3. And let's change the width for this one since it has a 5 images. So we can divide this by 20%. So width 20%, and we can text align it center. And for the dot active state, we're going to change the opacity to 1. Now we can adjust the text for the testimonials, which is wrapped in a black block code. So let's find testimonials. So here it is. So we have it here. So we're going to reset to back to 104.